Good evening. 365 Ultimate again, and we will now discuss how to analyze in many ways when two or three sentences are given. So, on the review page, the instructions read John, Sam, Naomi, and Joseph ran a 100-meter sprint. Read the following statements. So it says here, John finished ahead of Sam but behind Naomi, and Joseph finished behind Sam. If John finished behind Naomi, Naomi finished the race first. Number two, Joseph finished behind Sam. So who finished the race last? You got it, it's Joseph. So the order of their finish is like this: Naomi, John, Sam, and Joseph. Let us now use this booklet, this set, to practice. So the instructions read Jennifer, Michelle, and George all have different last names, and their last names could be either Smith, Lee, or West. If you look through here, if Michelle's last name isn't West, then Michelle's last name is Smith. Jennifer's last name is Lee, and George's last name is West. Therefore, Jennifer's last name is the same as her father's last name, as seen on this page. Now the activity reads, Jessica, Catherine, Sue, and Cindy sold many objects for raising funds. Catherine sold more than Cindy. Jessica sold the fewest. Sue sold more than Catherine. So it is correct. Jessica sold the fewest. However, Sue sold the most objects. So in order, it is from the most to the fewest is Sue, Catherine, Cindy, and Jessica. Pero if you write it from who sold the fewest to the most, it's Jessica, Cindy, Catherine, and Sue.